need to be prepared to work with diverse colleagues, need to be prepared to be confronted with diverse perspectives and viewpoints, and certainly exposed to some opportunities to engage in critical conversations. So I think the important thing when you're having conversations about diversity as well as racial equality and equity is to name what you want to talk about. Just first of all, say, I want to have a broad conversation about diversity and how it impacts the lives of high school students or young adults. And then you get to have a richer discussion about all the ways in which we're diverse. But if you want to have a conversation about race, then you need to name that I want to have a conversation about race, and this is why. We see race relations in a very problematic place right now. And it's because of our inability to talk about it in a meaningful way. Talk about the fact that we have to listen more. That means if you are not directly impacted by race, you're not a target of racism, then that means you need to listen more because you don't know what it's like. We talk about perspective taking and walking in someone else's shoes. Well, that's exactly what you have to do in a conversation about race, because if you're not a person that comes from a racially and ethnically diverse background, it's very hard for you to make sense of the everyday nuances of race and how it plays out in the lives of those people that are.